When it comes to outlining and defining flower beds in gardens, edgers are what you need. Here are some styles to choose from and some tips on how to install them.
Begin by defining the bed, using an edger or flat garden spade to trim and shape the sod. Next, use a pick or mattock to loosen the soil at the edge of the bed. Then, with a garden trowel, remove enough dirt to make a shallow trench. And finally, tamp down the bottom of the trench with a block of wood and a hammer or sledge. Since edging blocks follow the natural rise and fall of the terrain, they don't necessarily need to be level, but they do need to be straight and even. After driving in stakes, set a block in place at each end of the section and stretch twine across the top. Set the remaining blocks in position and tap them with a mallet to get them flush with each other and even with the twine. Next, backfill behind the blocks and compact the soil with a tamper or your foot. If you have gaps in the front, fill and compact those too. Some edging blocks, like these, have interlocking edges. The installation procedure, though, is virtually the same. Other styles, like this simulated Belgian block, don't interlock at all and are set more on top of the ground than into a trench. For circular beds, like those around trees, these curved blocks are a perfect solution.
Edgers do for a garden or flower bed what a frame does for a picture. Makes everything look just a little more finished.